Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you see the title of this video, well, it is Easter eggs. It's a video on Easter baskets ideas for your little ones. Now that we're stuck in quarantine, I'm not gonna take away the holidays for my kids. So if you want to see all the good things that I got, some for $1, some for free, then stay tuned. And like always, like and subscribe. Now on to the rest of the video. Alright guys, so the first stuff that I'm going to show you are what I found at the Dollar Tree. Of course, I love the Dollar Tree. If you don't know what Dollar Tree is, it is a store that everything is $1, and there are so many products there. I can't open this bag. Should have opened it before this video. There's food stuff, then there's treats and snacks, and everything's $1. And when you have toddlers, spending $1 makes sense because they break everything instead of spending so much money, which I've learned not to. The first thing are these cute baskets that are tangled up to each other, of course. First one are a little bunny and chicks. And the other one is chicks and basket says Happy Easter. They're different colors. So, of course, one's for my daughter. One is for my son. Then, of course, I got them cute little bunny ears because why wouldn't I? They're so adorable. They're each going to get one in their baskets. The next thing I found are these really cool lollipop rings inside of eggs. So this is going to be really fun for them. They're like, it comes with like, I think 3. I don't know if you can see inside. 3 eggs, 3 rings, like candy rings. So those are cute. I also found these cool stamps for $1. So I only bought one because there was only one available in the store. I found these stickers because my kids love stickers. They're 2 and 4. So stickers is a thing, and stickers get everywhere all over the house, but it's fine because I use stuff to get it off. And it's really cute. It's like page after page of stickers, like 4 pages, I believe. Yes, of stickers, so they each get one. I also found coloring books. So I found princess ones and Spider-Man. My son loves Spider-Man. And I think, then of course, bag of candy eggs and Starburst jelly beans, which I'm going to put in eggs, and we're going to hide it throughout the backyard if it's nice, if not throughout the house. So the candies that I got were Starburst jelly beans, which I'm going to put in eggs, that I also got from the Dollar Tree. They had like the big stack of like 20 something eggs, so I got the pastel ones and then the regular ones. I'm pretty sure they had glitter ones, but that was in another Dollar Tree, and I already bought eggs. And plus I have all these eggs now, so thank God I didn't go overboard. And then of course I got the chocolate eggs because my kids really like these. I only got 2 bags because I'm going to put maybe 2 in each, and then like for the jelly beans 2 in each because we're not going to go crazy with candy. Oh no, but I also have the candies for my kids class. Yeah, I also have that candy, so yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Thanks a lot, Corona. And then for the free products that I received from Amazon through rebates, if you want to know more about that, just DM me at Chrissy7 CHRYSY on Instagram, and I will show you where you can go to get free stuff. So the first thing is really cool. I bought all of these eggs because I was going to make gift bags for my kids' classmates, but since there's no school until April 20th, that's not happening. So there's really cute eggs, and they're like little puppets inside. So you open it, and here's a squid. Isn't that cute? For free. I'm going to emphasize free because I love getting things for free. These are rebates. So you buy the product, write a review on Amazon, and you get the product for free. A little frog on all my animals. And it's just a bunch of cute characters, which I'm really upset because I really wanted to give it to his classmates, but I'm gonna end up keeping some for my kids. That makes sense, but yeah. Also for free, I got these bubbles, a set of bubbles, like little wand ones. They have little stars on them. They're a pack of 66, so these are great. I'm probably gonna hold on to these because I always do little gift bags for my son's class whenever there's like a activity, so I'll hold on to those. The next thing, I got eggs that come with little cars. You put these cars inside, they're cute. And then like a bunch of eggs, you put them in there. Again, I was looking for my son's class, but whatever. And this I'm really excited about. Is for my kids. I of course already gave my mom some, so I'm missing. But they're stamps. So you see, alright. So these are the egg, and then you open it up, and it is a stamp, and it says Happy Easter. Put it in your hand. Oh well, did not press it hard enough. Alright, my hand is not. Anyways, that's what it's supposed to. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. And these are washable, so you don't have to worry about it being toxic. And they're washable, so you don't have to worry about them staining. And they're also non-toxic, so that's really great. I already wiped it off real quick. It comes with 18 eggs, so it was a good deal because it was free. I tried stamping it with the purple that I had given to my mom. My mom had brought the kids these cute little crafts, like little bunnies that we'll make on paper. We'll make like little cute bunny papers. So it's gonna be fun Easter celebration. So check out your Dollar Tree if you can leave the house. If not, then hopefully you can get some cute ideas on how to entertain your kids during this time. Also follow me on Instagram because I've posted well, you know, I'll put it down in the description. Scholastics has a free online course so you can teach your kids while they're stuck at home if they haven't received material. Well, because my son is in pre-K, so they're probably not going to send us anything, or they might, I don't know, but I've been doing some letters with him, numbers, and playtime and crafts. So yeah, it's gonna be a long month of this. I don't know when I'm posting this, so I'm posting this now from the beginning of the quarantine from the beginning of when we got quarantined. So this is like day 1 of no school. It's gonna be interesting. So let me know down in the comments, how has your month with the kids been? How has your days with the kids been so far? Or have you been able to come up with activities? Oh, Pinterest is also really good at coming up with crafts and activities. But of course, you have to leave your house and get some of these crafts, which I'm grateful I did this like before time. But I still have to go out and get more crafts because it's going to be a month of being at home, and playing all day long is great, but they also need some kind of stimulant. So yeah, it's going to be fun. So stay tuned. Maybe I'll post about some cool ideas. Maybe I might do that. All right, bye guys. Bubbles. Puppets. Baskets full of stuff. Can't focus there. Alright. Candy. There's so much candy. I have so much candy in this house now. And that. And of course, it's cool. Eggs. And